Boss Vacuum stands for first-class vacuum packaging machines from our own production, made in Germany, like, for example, the standalone machine Max F46. With 50 years of experience in vacuum technology, Boss today offers the largest selection of standard machines in the industry. The machines are made from high-quality parts, stainless steel, splash-proof elements, and high-performance pumps from Bosch. Clear structure, robust technology, and well-thought-out design guarantee long-term reliability. The wireless sealing system and the pressure pads can be positioned on the right, the left, or both sides. The optimal interplay between the chamber size and sealing bar length ensure maximum cost-effectiveness. The most varied bag sizes and arrangements are possible, specific to the application. If you want greater durability for products sensitive to pressure, vacuum packaging under a protective atmosphere is recommended. A jet washes the vacuum goods with inert gas. In this way, the texture, nutritional value, and freshness are retained. The sealing bars are fixed without wires and are therefore simple to remove. The double sealing with an automatic cut function is standard. The contaminated bag overhang is cleanly cut away. The high-precision sensor control offers 99 storage spaces and is easy to handle with its intuitive control panel. All the important parameters are clearly displayed. Functions like cyclical vacuum, step vacuum, boiling point recognition, and keyboard lock make it possible to create optimal packaging results specific to the task. A sensor automatically detects the boiling point and ends the vacuum process. This protects the vacuumed goods from loss of moisture through vaporization and prevents liquids from escaping out. Boss machines minimize maintenance costs since they are particularly service-friendly. All parts are easily accessible. A watertight housing protects the controls from external influences. The integrated service program ensures the longevity of the vacuum pump. Boss offers numerous additional options and equipment variations. Soft ventilation, taper-sunk key for packaging liquids, different pump sizes, and construction using ESD. Other special preparation, bespoke, made for the most varied areas of application. Let us advise you. Boss Vacuum, simply well packaged.